Guys, today something absolutely easy, fresh for summertime and Puglia 100% Italia and from where I come from. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. We are not master chef, but we do always cool stuff and we cook for the family. Anyway, this is gonna be a salad. The ingredient we need is just this: tomato, red onion, and this is frigitelli, this red peppers, hot stuff and cooked stuff. Anyway, take your tomato easily. And we're gonna have some fresh oregano, fresh dry oregano, but from the plant, not the supermarket. I use just that. This takeoff is a little bit hard, but you can eat anyway. And guys, just rough like this, chop it, okay? I'm gonna do this just for my dinner, but depend how many people you're gonna feed, you know, put more stuff. Just don't ask me how many tomato is, it's just up to you. Okay, chop your tomatoes and I show you the next. Okay, tomato, and now the same. Chop the onion just like that. Yeah, chop the onion on the top. I put one onion. Ready. And now the pepper, just like that. Just like that, yeah. Put on. It seats everything if you like, eh? But when it's in the back, you can do this. Wow, okay, fantastic. And I think I'm gonna put this as well. That's it. Start mix again. Wow, look at that. And more oregano. I love it. If you like this, I like this, but if you like, you can add some feta cheese, mozzarella cheese, you can add some olives. This depend, but I like traditional, you know? It's just red onion, tomatoes, and black peppers. And oregano. That's it. Olive oil, salt and pepper. One slice of bread, some bruschetta, you know. Okay, job done. Now again, we mix again. And now, salt and pepper, how much you like. Add very big touch of extra virgin of olive oil. Yeah. Okay. Now we mix again, slowly, slowly. Wow, oh yeah. It is, job done. Now we have to add a little bit of cold water. You know, I just want to show you. Yeah. And mix again. Guys, is this. I love it. The summertime in the plate. It look like a picture. It's absolutely amazing. Guys, this is the very popular Puglia salad. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!